expect in a commerce hall or anything that I will name it in the future, because basically I will try to create another segment maybe after I finally got the dream gadget, but I don't know what kind of name that I will eventually use, because basically just some random names that I suddenly come into my brain, and then I try to use it constantly until 50 videos, so it's pretty long that I need to stick with the same title, because yeah, I just want it to be consistent, but yeah, sadly it's just not the way it was supposed to be expected, even though I already upload more than 100 videos right now. When I try to go back to it again, but sadly just not give me any differences, because yeah, I do admit that I may not be as unique as other people, where they basically have more emotion in telling the review about something, but well, it's okay. And maybe I just try to fulfill my satisfaction of just creating a documentary, perhaps from my own life. I don't know. But the thing is, so it's only around 3 minutes, or almost 3 minutes, almost. But so this is just the unboxing, the failed unboxing, because I actually quite forgot that the enclosure that I was bought before is not from the NVMe. So yes, the 2230 NVMe that I was initially wanted to use for my GPD, for my dream gadget, the GPD Max 2. It's eventually cannot be used, because yeah, I cannot open the 2230 slot, because the screw is just so hard to be smooth. So yeah, it's pretty annoying, but it's okay. I just have to be grateful with my condition, maybe, because yeah, everything just not goes the way that you expected, right? So I decided to kind of adapt with the reality. So I tried to buy another enclosure that basically dedicated for NVMe. So it's basically twice more expensive than the NGFF or the SATA. So yeah, but thankfully it's just the SSD is still working. So because I'm just too scared that I kind of force this NVMe into the NGFF slot, and I didn't know why. I thought it basically shares the same connector, but it eventually didn't. So, because I used to see from the seller of the SATA or NGFF SSD. So basically the one things that basically differentiate both of them is the chipset or the protocol that was used. So I think all of the NVMe enclosure needs to use the USB-C, because maybe that's not the thing that they can probably use, or it just basically becomes more